today we're going to be doing this smoky, glam, glossy, like, look right here. I'm very inspired by this backdrop, but I think this has to be my favorite, like, backdrop that I have. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's, like, a boy color, but I just love it. Like, I have a pink one and, like, a coral one, but this one is just so gorgeous. And I'm so in love with, like, the sequence on camera, on other people's video and on my videos. I just love how it looks. It just makes you pop and everything. I don't know. It makes me pop, I feel like. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this very dramatic, like, yumminess, smoky, I was very inspired by this backdrop. Like, it's just so mysterious. I said this already, like, I'm gonna be saying this, like, at the end of the video. This is just so, like, dark and grungy that I want to do some kind of dark and mysterious, like, makeup look. So that's how I got this look. So if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. Before I get into this makeup tutorial, I do want to say real quick, the background, like, oh my god, like, oh yeah. So obviously we recently got a background. Friday we got a background. This video will go up on a Monday, and I mean, like, look at it. It's so, like, cute or whatever. I got it on the day when my mom and dad came back home from their vacay, and yeah, so they're home now. They're good. We're Gucci. And yeah, so we're just gonna get into this video. I don't really want to make this video too long, so we're just gonna hop in. So I'm just gonna take this Manny and Makeup Geek palette, and I'm gonna take, let's just go in with Beaches and Cream, because why not? I want to dive in with this palette because I have not messed with it in so long, like, so long. And I'm just going to put that in my crease as the transition for the colors that we're going to be using. I don't know what kind of look I want to do today, but I know I want to do something dark and smoky because of the background. Like, I want to do something blue, like a blue smoky eye or something like that, or a blue lid color, I don't know, but I want something smoky. Alright, so now I'm going to take, what should I take? I think I'm going to take Frappe and a little bit of Sora. I remember Frappe and Sora being, like, my holy grail colors. Like, I used to love those colors and dive into those every single time when I do a makeup look. And now that I have a lot more palettes, I don't dig into those, so I want to dig into them. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I'm going to do the same exact thing, just put that in the crease. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild palette in Not a Basic Peach, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm also going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I want to go in with a little bit of, what color? Let's go in with this one, just a little bit of this color right here. So I'm going to just take those two colors and put it on the outer part of my eye and a little bit in my crease. Now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab, if I could hold the palette right so I can show you guys, I'm going to grab this color right here and this color right here, because this is a little bit too purple for my liking. I mean, it's a dark, very dark purple, but I kind of want to bring some warmth into the eye also, so that's why I'm going to be taking this color also. And I'm just going to put that on the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to go in with the Manny palette again, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of this color right here, which is called Aphrodite, I think. Yeah. So I'm just going to take that and do the same exact thing. Alright, so I don't know which one I want to go in with. These two are from the L'Oreal Paris, hold on, let me look at the lids. They're 24-hour infallible eyeshadows, and this one's an Amber Rush, and this one's an Iced Latte, and I don't know which one I want to go in with. I'm thinking this one because I haven't used this one at all. I use this one all the time, and yeah, so I don't think I've used this one at all. Like, yeah, so I'm gonna use it because I don't think I've used it. So I am going to just put that on the lid right here, and I'm not gonna carve it. I'm gonna have it really like blown out. I'm not gonna have it really like sharp like a cut crease. I'm gonna have it really blown out. So I'm gonna just grab a flat brush, apply it, and then blend it out with the brush that we were using to apply the dark color to kind of blow it out a little bit. I want to take a black. I'm going to take a black from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to like put it close to the lash line and just like really smoke it out. And yeah, so I'm going to like go all the way to the inner corner with a black eyeshadow, go all the way out here and smoke it out on the outer part of the eye. Now I'm going to put some mascara on and then put lashes on and then do my full face, and then I'll be back with you guys with like the lower lash line and the lippy. But I'll let you guys know when I come back to you guys with my full face on what the lashes are. Because like always, I don't know what kind of lashes I want to go with. I think I want to go in with the Eylure Platinum Princess lashes, but I might go in with the Grand Glamour lashes. Or even the Demi Wispies, the Studio Effects Demi Wispies. I have no idea, but I'll let you guys know what I go in with when I come back to you guys. Alright, so I did my full face like I said I was going to be doing. Now, what am I going to be doing? My bottom lash line. We're basically going to be doing the same exact thing that we did to the lid, like the eyes. We're gonna do like those matte colors. We're not gonna mess with the shimmery color that we put on our lid. We're gonna be messing with the matte colors that we messed with. We're not gonna go in with the Beaches and Cream color. We're just gonna go straight in with the Frappe and Sora color. Gonna go straight in with those colors and just put it on my bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with the color in the Morphe palette, which is this one right here, and the color in this Not a Basic Peach palette, this one right here. I'm going to take those two and put it on the bottom lash line also. Do the same exact thing that we just did with the other colors. Now I'm going to go in with those two colors from the Morphe palette that we took earlier to deepen up the eye. We took this color right here and this color right here, and I'm going to do the same exact thing that we've been doing with the colors, the past few colors with the bottom lash line. I just really want to deepen that up and want this color of the eye to be down here, so that's what we're going to be doing. And now I'm going to go in with this color in the Manny MUA palette and do the same exact thing, just put it really close to the waterline. Now I want to add a little something since I feel like it's too smoky. I think I'm going to put the color that we put on our lid like on the bottom lash line also. So I'm just going to grab a flat brush, grab that color, and I just put it right on the inner part of the eye. And then the color that I'm going to be putting in my inner corner is the same, like like thing. It's just a different color. So it's just the same brand. It's the same eyeshadow collection. This one is just an iced latte, and I'm just going to pop that on my inner corner. And then I'm going to grab a white, I think I'm going to grab the one from the Tarte Pro palette. I think it's called Vintage or something like that. And I'm just going to pop that white in that palette on the brow bone, because I don't really want to go in with a shimmery color for my brow bone since there's a lot of shimmer going on. So, yeah, so I'm just going to do that. Do you hear that, guys? It's raining so hard. Like, the lighting might be kind of off because it's so gloomy and raining. Like, it is so bad. Do you hear it? Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you guys what kind of lashes I'm wearing. So what the lashes I'm wearing are the Eylure Platinum Princess, like I said in the beginning. And yeah, so I really like these lashes. I really recommend them, and they're just gorgeous. I did do my lashes and like my mascara down there, and I also put this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk in my waterline just to open it up a little bit more, because recently on Pinterest and Instagram all I've been seeing is like a smoky eye and then like white in the waterline, and I just love how that looks. I've done it before, but I haven't done it in so long that I decided to do it because I've seen it everywhere. And yeah, so I did it. Now I'm going to go in with this Mellow matte lipstick in Posh, and I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Kiss, and I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Please. So I put some earrings on and I did my hair. I didn't really do much. I just like moved it like that, and like that's it. I was gonna curl my hair, but it was like raining like so bad. I'm pretty sure it's sprinkling now, but it was raining so bad, like really bad. Comment down below in the description, and also like this video if you guys like how this makeup looked turned out. I really like how it turned out. I'm really inspired by this background. Like, this background is so gorgeous, but I was just really inspired by this, like how it's so dark and like so like mysterious, that I just wanted to do that kind of look, like very dark and mysterious, and then like a like very nude glossy lip to like just make the look like pop. Comment down below if you guys want to see like a more natural look next video. I do want to start going into like the summer makeup looks, because summer's on its way, my birthday's on its way, and girl, your girl's turning 16 on the 24th, so mark your calendars. My birthday's coming soon. You know, your girl's ready to stunt on everybody. But yeah, so comment down below if you guys want me to do like a more glowy look and natural eye makeup for summer, because I could totally do that. That would be like a lot of fun or whatever. There's a lot of videos that I want to do, that I have in my head that I want to do. There's just so many, and I just don't know which one to do first, so just like comment down below what you guys want to see, so I could like get it out there. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.